Hi guys, welcome to How to Library. Today I'm going to show you how to enable fast camera on BeReal. Okay, so first I'm on the Discover page right now. All you have to do is click on the top right corner on your profile picture. And this is going to take us to our memories. And then we have to click again on the top right corner, but now on the three dots, and this will take us to our settings. And as you can see, there are a lot of options here: memories, notifications, time zone, and other. So we're going to stop here. Right under time zone, there's other. So we're going to click on that. And as you can see, the first thing that shows up is fast camera, reduces quality. And all you have to do is flip the switch. And that's about it. Thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye guys!